Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. The platform enables peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trades that execute without order books or a centralized intermediary. The Uniswap platform achieves this with a liquidity pool model that uses automated smart contracts to enable prospective traders to access competing user-funded token reserves as the primary source of market liquidity. Anyone can swap tokens, contribute tokens to a pool and earn fees, or list a token on Uniswap. Since Uniswap is built on Ethereum, almost any ERC20 token is exchangeable using Uniswap. Furthermore, there are no listing fees for a token to be available for trade on Uniswap, a noteworthy departure from most centralized crypto exchanges. In conventional markets, order books compile and exchanges open buy and sell orders for any asset. If there's a substantial gap between the prices buyers are willing to pay and those that sellers are willing to accept, the resulting lack of trading activity leads to decreased liquidity. This means that if you hold an asset affected as such, it will be more difficult to sell. Uniswap pools minimize this misalignment between buyer and seller market orders by creating a deep reservoir of assets to trade, which in turn helps to mitigate potential market liquidity issues. Additionally, Uniswap's automated market maker technology algorithmically analyzes liquidity pools to offer the most appropriate prices for specific trades. Uniswap was created November 2, 2018 by Hayden Adams, a former mechanical engineer at Siemens. The Uniswap company raised millions of dollars from venture capital firms including Andreessen Horowitz, Paradigm Venture Capital, Union Square Ventures LLC and Parafi. Uniswap's average daily trading volume was $220 million in October 2020. Traders and investors have utilized Uniswap because of its usage in decentralized finance. In April 2020, Uniswap's website was taken down temporarily after hackers unsuccessfully attempted to use a re-entrancy hack on the exchange.